Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over WTI crude oil, ETF ticker symbol USO. Today we are up 1% and we have about 3 hours left in trading. On the 1 hour chart, we were at oversold territory yesterday and we managed to close above the 9 and 18 moving average on the 1 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, we were also at oversold RSI yesterday and we start to see the MACD starting to converge, and on the daily chart we are not at oversold territory on the daily RSI, so there's some concern that this downtrend may be still intact, but at the moment I see short covering because we are at immediate support at the moment and we are far from the moving averages, or specifically the 9-day moving average. And the first resistance that I see is that moving average. I would say between the 9-day and 18-day moving average. Reason why: they were past support, and now since the price is below support, it acts as resistance now. And since we are at support, fairly close to support, I do believe this is still a floor for us at the immediate turn. So if we were to move on higher and hit resistance, that price movement is roughly around, I would say, 6.5%. And if we do continue to move down further, that price movement is around 2.8%. So let's head to the forecast model. On here, I'll go day by day where WTI crude oil will head to in the next coming days. So we have 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. And so which one of these forecasts we should focus on? I would say the trend that is the best match to the current trend. So we have the current trend right here, and below it is the trend that I believe is the best match. And this trend dates back to June 30th, 2016 to September 26, 2016. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend, we had a down channel for several days. We made a quick reversal and we remain above the middle Bollinger Band right here. And this will be, let's make it purple. And then below it, we dip below the bottom Bollinger Band or middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded to touch the middle Bollinger Band afterward. So we have these two to draw, and we have that, and then in between, or finally, we have another touch on the bottom Bollinger Band. So we have those points. So we start to see similar pattern shaping in this trend. So several weeks in a downtrend, and after that we were above the middle Bollinger Band. In this instance, just move this, and this will be purple, and then right after it we dip below the middle Bollinger Band right here, and then we proceeded to make an attempt, or in this case reverted to the mean and failed, and it continued to move down lower afterwards right down here. So we start to see the pattern shaping. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So there's reason to believe if the trends and patterns are the same, the outcome and forecast should be the same. So the forecast model that we just examined was this: June 30th, 2016 to September 26, 2016, and it looks like WTI was up around 8.2%. So that is all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.